Hello, good morning everyone. I am Jerlyn Yero, your reporter for the topic of regular income taxations and special corporations. Corporate income taxations. Corporations are subject to final tax, capital gain tax, and tax regular income tax. The final tax and the capital gains tax are corporate taxpayers are discussed in the previous chapters. When we say corporate income taxations, income is a money or some equivalent value that an individual or businesses receives, usually in changes for providing a good or services or through investing capital. What are corporations? Corporations shall include partnership, no matter how created, organized, joint stock, companies, joint accounts, association, or insurance companies. When we say corporations, a company or group of people authorized to act as a single entity, legally a persons are recognized as such in law. General classifications and taxations of corporations. A. Domestic corporations, 30% regular tax on world's taxable income. B. Resident foreign corporations, 30% regular tax on Philippines gross income. C. Non-resident foreign corporations, 30% final tax on Philippine gross income. Illustrations. Gross income. Philippine, 1,800,000. Abroad, 1,200,000. Total, 3 million. Business Express, 1,200,000 minus 800, total 2 million. Net income from operations, 600,000 minus 200 is 400,000 plus 1 million. 150,000 minus 100 is 50,000. Total 200,000. 750,000 minus 450,000 plus 12 million. Domestic corporations. Net income from operations 600,000 plus 400,000 plus 1 million. Other income tax subject to final tax is 50,000. Taxable income net income is 1,050,000. Corporate tax rate is 30%. Regular corporate income tax is 315,000. Resident foreign corporations, taxable net income Philippines only, 600,000. Corporate tax rate is 30%. Regular corporate income tax is 180,000. Non-resident foreign corporations is not subject to the regular corporate income tax but of 30% final tax based on gross income from all sources within resident payers of 1,800,000 gross income shall be withheld 540,000 compute as a 1 million times 30% and remit the same to the BIR. Special corporations. Certain corporations are subject to a special tax treatments or preferential tax rates lower than the 30% regular corporate income tax. Subclassifications of corporate income tax payers. Domestic corporations. A domestic company is a company formed and registered. A domestic corporation is a company that conducts its affairs in its home country. It is often taxed differently than a foreign corporations and may be required to pay duties based on the importations of its products. Exempt domestic corporations. Exempt non-profit corporations under the NIC. Government agencies and instrumentalities. Certain government-owned and controlled corporations. Cooperations, special domestic corporations. Proprietary educational institutions and non-profit hospitals. Foreign currency deposit units and expanded PIDSA or BOY registered enterprise. Regular domestic corporations, resident foreign corporations. A minimum corporate income tax of 2% is imposed on the gross income of both domestic and resident foreign corporations on an annual basis. 1. Special resident foreign corporations. 2. Offshore banking units and expanded. 3. Regional area headquarters and regional operating headquarters of multinational companies. 4. International career. 5. Boy or pizza registered enterprises. 2. Regular resident foreign corporations. C. Special non-resident foreign corporations. A. Non-resident cinematographic film owner, lessor or distributor. B. Non-resident lessor or vessels chartered by Philippine nationals. C. Non-resident owner or lessor or of aircraft, machineries, and other equipment. Exempt domestic corporations. Tax-exempt status may provide complete relief from taxes, reduced rates, or tax on only. Exempt non-profit corporations under the NAIC. Non-profit organizations, also known as a non-business entity, non-for-profit organizations, or non-profit institutions is an organization traditionally dedicated to furthering a particular social cause or advocating a shared point of view. Exempt government-owned and controlled corporations. 4. Cooperations. People working together to achieve results or people helping each other out to achieve a common goal. Cooperation is when one person hands you a brick and you lay the brick. The associations of number of people in an enterprise for mutual benefits or profit. Qualifications of tax exemptions. Income tax exemptions relate only to income from related activities. Some common examples of organizations that may qualify for tax-exempt status include childcare, churches, and religious, and social welfare organizations. Operating as one of the above organizations does not mean you are tax-exempt. You must apply through the IRS for tax exemptions. The classification rule. Since exemptions applies only to income from related activities, the income of exempt corporations are classified into income from related activities and income from unrelated activities. The definitions of classifying is categorizing something or someone into a certain group or system based on certain characteristics. Exempt corporations under the NIRC. 1. Labor, agricultural, or horticultural organizations, not organized, principally non-profit. 2. Mutual savings banks not having a capital stock represented by shares, cooperative bank without capital stock organized and operated for mutual for-profit. 3. A beneficiary society, order, or association operating for the exclusive benefit of the members, such as a fraternal organizations operating under the lodge system, or mutual aid associations or non-stock corporations organized by employees providing for the payment of life, sickness, accidents, or other benefits to the members of such society, order, or associations, or not stock corporations on their dependents. 4. Cemetery company owned and operated for benefits of its members. 5. Non-stock corporations or associations organized and operated for religious, charitable, scientific, athletic, or cultural purposes or for the rehabilitations, veterans. No part of its net income or asset shall belong to an insured to the benefit of any members, organizer, officer, or any specific person. 6. Business lodge, chamber, or commerce, or board of trade, not organized for profit and no part of the net income of which ensures to the benefit of any private stockholder or individual. 7. Civic lodge, or organizations not organized for profit but operated for the promotions of social welfare. 8. A non-stock and non-profit educational institutions. 9. Government educational institutions. 10. Farmers or other mutual typhoon or fire insurance company, mutual ditch or immigration company, mutual or cooperative telephone company, or like organizations or for a purely local character, the income of which consists solely of assessments, dues and fees collected from members for the sole purposes of meeting its expenses. 11. Farmers, fruit growers, or like associations organized and operated and turning back to them the proceeds of sales less the necessary sellings expenses on the basis of the quantity of procedure finished by them. The income from unrelated activities is subjected to regular income tax. Related activities. Gross income 800,000. Unrelated activities is 400,000. The total of 1,200,000. Less expenses is 400,000 minus 150,000 equal 550,000. Net surplus is 400,000 minus 250,000 plus 650,000. The income tax due of the corporation shall be net income or surplus from unrelated activities is 250,000. Corporate rate is 30%. Regular corporate income tax is 75%. Illustration 2. Net income from fundraising activities 200,000. Corporate tax rate is 30%. Total of 60%. Requested for exemptions of non-stock, non-profit corporations. Organizational and operated, it must be a non-stock corporations or associations for religious, charitable, scientific, athletic, or cultural purposes or for the rehabilitation of veterans. For example, private businesses are those which are operated in order to gain profit from their activities. Are banks, manufacturing companies for Mitsubishi, Toyota, retail companies, Walmart, services companies, and consultancies, constructor, etc. Assigning employees to handle specific functions is settings of a chain of command. Operational tax. The regular activities of the corporation or associations must be devoted to the accomplishment of the formation purposes. So, the operational definitions of anxiety could be in terms of a test score, withdrawal from situations, or activations of the sympathetic nervous system. For example, procedures, actions, or processes by which it's good, observed, and measured. 3. All net income or asset of the corporations or associations must be devoted to as purposes and no part of its net income or asset accrues for or benefits any members or specific person. 4. It must not be a branch of foreign non-stock non-profit corporation. For example, a non-profit organizational is still allowed to engage in activities conducted for profit without losing its tax exemptions, but not consequence is being subject to tax only income conducted for profit regardless of the dispositions made of such income. Illustration 2. The medical center is organized as a non-stock, non-profit hospital catering to ethnic community members. So, example, since there is no purposes to make a profit over and above the cost, the medical center is exempt from income tax on services from paying members. Exemptions to the classifications rule. Non-profit educational institutions under the constitutions all revenues and assets of non-stock, non-profit educational institutions use sample actually direct and exclusively for educational purposes shall be exempt from taxes and duties. Illustration 1. Southland universities and non-profit educational institutions collected 400,000 school fees and assessment from its students. It also earned 200,000 from the rent of its properties and realize 400,000 in the sale of its properties. Illustration 2. How would Southland University be taxed in the immediately preceding illustrations of it is 1. Government school, B. Private school. So, it's Southland University is a government school. The classification rule would apply because the constitutional exemption applies only to non-profit educational institutions. It's such a 4 million pesos would be exempt, but the 200,000 and 400,000 income would be taxable. Private school. If Southland University is a private, the dominance test for private schools will apply. Certificate of tax exemptions ruling. Non-profit corporations or associations must secure a tax exemptions ruling from the BIR to enjoy the tax exemptions. For example, the ruling shall be valid for a period of 3 years unless sooner revoked or cancelled. Second samples. The exemptions ruling be deemed revoked on the date there are material changes in the charitable purposes or method or operations at the corporations or association which are inconsistent with the basis of the income tax exemptions. Government agencies and instrumentalities. It's a government agencies and instrumentalities. Government agencies and instrumentalities such as a department and bureaus are inherently non-profit. Government-owned and controlled corporations. 1. Government Services Insurance System. Members are entitled to an array of social security benefits such as life insurance benefits, separations or retirement benefit, and disability benefits, pasiguraduhan ng mga naglilingkod sa pamahalaan, abbreviated as GSIS. Social Security System. A system of federally funded services and payments to help support the needy, the aged, and the temporarily unemployed, as well as providing support for needy, dependent, disabled, or neglected children, a rehabilitation for the disabled, and host of other social services. For example, Social Security is a monthly check received by a retired worker which is based on the age of the worker and the amount of money the worker has earned over their work history. PhilHealth, Philippine Health and Insurance Corporations. PhilHealth was created in 1995 to create a universal health coverage for the Philippines. It is a tax-exempt government-owned and government-controlled corporations of Philippines and is attached to the Department of Health. Local water districts are now exempt from taxes under Section 27 provided that the amount saved by virtue of the exemptions is to be used to capital equipment expenditures to expand water services coverage. Cooperatives. A corporation is an autonomous association of persons who voluntarily join together to achieve their social, economic, and cultural needs and inspirations by, for example, provide services in areas where private for-profit businesses don't see sufficient profit potential.